Get by. English phrasal verb meanings and examples. Get by means to do things with the minimal amount. When someone is doing something with just enough of what they need. They can do what they need to do with the bare essentials, though often with difficulty. When someone is living with the minimal amount, living just within their means, and they do not have much extra money, effort, or time to spend. Example sentences. I don't have much money until my next payday, but I will get by. This means I have enough money to survive until the next time I am paid, if I am careful with my money. We'll get by with this old computer until we buy a new one. This means the computer should be good enough for the job we have to do, though we prefer a much faster or better one. It is sometimes difficult to work and study at the same time, but I am sure I will get by. This means I think I will manage to survive the difficulty of doing both at the same time. Get by means to go unnoticed. When something is missed or goes unnoticed. To happen without being discovered or punished. Example sentences. We have to arrive to work on time. Nothing gets by my boss. Those house alterations will never get by the city council. As an editor, I cannot allow grammar or spelling mistakes to get by me. Get by means to pass or overtake. When someone or something is in front of you and you want to pass them. When someone is in your way and you need to go past it. Example sentences. Excuse me, we need to get by you, but you're taking up all of the space. People can't get by that car that is parked in the middle of the driveway. I hope you found this lesson about the phrasal verb get by useful. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel so you know when we create new lessons to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day.